In this video, we're going to show you how to install SecurityDVR software. Before the installation, please connect iCamDVR unit to your computer USB port, and then insert the installation CD to your CD-ROM drive, and you will see this autoplay message comes on, and then just simply click run autorun.exe, and then you will see this initialization screen, and then just simply go ahead and click install SecurityDVR, and then you got this message says, do you want to allow the following program from an unknown publisher to make changes to this computer? Click yes. And then this screen says, welcome to SecurityDVR setup. Click next. And then here it says select video format, then press next to install driver. If we are in US or North America, just choose the default setting, which is NTSC, and click next. And right now it is installing driver. And this window that says choose destination location, the default destination folder is C program / program files / SecurityDVR / SecurityDVR. If you don't wish to change the destination folder, simply click next. If you wish to change the destination folder, click browse. But in this video, I'm going to leave it as a default destination folder, so I'm going to click next, and then next. And right now it is 70% complete. And then this window says install show wizard complete, and go ahead click finish. And since now the installation is complete, so I'm going to click exit to exit this GUI screen. And after the installation is complete, on your desktop you will see a shortcut that says SecurityDVR. And just simply double click the shortcut to bring up the SecurityDVR software. In this video, we are going to show you the basic configuration of SecurityDVR software. Click the lock icon to log in. The default username is system, and there is no password, so leave the password blank and click OK. After click OK, you will see those 4 icons become available. This is EMAP. This is search and playback, this is configuration, and this is PDC control. Let's click on configuration. The first thing to configure here is to choose which drive or partition to store the recording files. In this video, we choose C. And to turn on override, check recycle. Next, let's move down to this section. If you want to continuous recording, check menu record, and you can set the frame rate here. The default is 30 frames per second. If you want to record on certain day and certain time, check schedule record. And you can set the frame rate here. The default is 15 frames per second. If you want to motion detection recording, check motion detection. And you can set the frame rate here. The default is 30 frames per second. If you want to use the remote access feature, simply check net service. In this video, we are going to show you how to set up motion detection recording. After you log in, click configuration and check motion detection and click here to set frame rate. Next, check schedule recording and then go to motion detection section. This box allows you to select each camera, cam 1, cam 2, cam 3, and cam 4. This box is the schedule box. The numbers on top of the box represent hours of a day. 4 means 4 a.m., 8 means 8 a.m., 16 means 4 p.m., and so forth. The colors represent days of the week. The pink represents Sunday, green represents Monday, and so forth. So by default, the motion detection recording is set to 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for all 4 cameras. In this video, we're going to show you live demo of motion detection recording. First, click log icon to log in, and the username is system, and by default there's no password, so just go ahead and click OK, and then click configuration. And first we're going to go to alarm setup, and we are turning on pre-alarm record and set to 5 seconds. This option is critical because when you turn this on, the iCamDVR will start recording 5 seconds prior the actual motion triggered. Next, we are going to motion sensitivity and detection configuration. By default, the motion is turned on full screen. Now in this video, we are going just to turn on partial. So you click clear to clear out the full motion detection, and then just simply use your mouse and drag the areas you want to be covered, and then you are going to basic configuration. And then this video, we're just going to make cam 1 for motion detection. So check cam 1 and then set a frame rate at 30. And let's go back to live view. Now let's play back the video we just recorded. So go ahead and click search and play back. And as you can see, the cam 1 is selected. So just go ahead and click play. Now as you can see, although there's no motion here in the video, but then the whole segment is recorded because we turn on the pre-alarm recording. And here comes the motion trigger event. And as a reminder, we'll only turn on this area to be motion detect recording. And now the file is playback completely, and then just go ahead and click back to go back to live view. In this video, we are going to show you how to remote access and remote playback SecurityMan. Go ahead and click the lock icon to log in. The default username is system. There's no password, so leave the password blank and go and click OK. Next, click configuration icon and simply check net service. In this video, we are going to change the HTTP port from 80 to 88. And then go back to live view. And next thing you need to do is find out the IP address of the host computer. So I'm going to minimize the SecurityMan. And under command prompt, you're going to type ipconfig and hit enter. And what you need to look for is IPv4 address. In this case, it is 192.168.248.199. And then we will type this IP address when we go to a remote computer to remote access iCamDVR. Now we are in a remote computer, so just go ahead and open Internet Explorer and add address bar, type http:// and then the IP address, which is 192.168.248.199. And since we changed the port to 88, so press :AA. Hit enter, and here comes the login information. And again, username by default is system. Leave the password blank and click OK. And then we're gonna see this is a live view of the camera we're using. And let's go ahead and then do a remote playback. So let's click this icon. There's a search and playback. And I'm going to set up 4-channel playback. And next, click play button. And right now we are remotely playback the recording file from the host computer.